Hi guys, in today's video I'll be testing out a beauty sponge called the JUNO Microfiber Fusion Sponge. Now this sponge I got off of a company called JUNO & Company, and they have all types of different makeup that start at $1. Now this particular sponge is supposed to be a combination of a beauty sponge and also a foundation brush. So yeah, I'm kind of intrigued on it, and it was only $4. So this is what the box looks like that it came in. Now you're able to use this sponge wet or dry. Wet is if you're using wet products, and dry is if you're using dry products. Now if you look at it, it has like microfiber on the outside. It actually feels like velvet. It's very velvety. Now let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and read what's on the website. It's called the JUNO Microfiber Fusion Sponge, and it's $4. And this is the first ever microfiber makeup sponge that fuses together your favorite makeup tools, the beauty sponge and makeup brush. This ultra soft dual layer sponge saves you 50 to 70% of your makeup product, and everything blends in perfectly. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my sponge because I'm just gonna be applying my foundation on my face. So yeah, I don't know, it says it's made out of microfiber, and when I think of microfiber, I think of this special towel that I use on my little dog Roscoe. When I'm done bathing him, I use this microfiber towel to draw out all the liquid from the water from his hair, from his fur, and it takes out everything better than a normal towel. So I don't know, microfiber, I'm thinking, isn't this gonna like pull in more of the liquid into here of the foundation? But it says that it's going to save you 50 to 70% of your foundation. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and dampen this sponge, and we can go ahead and try it out. Okay, this is what it looks like damp. It's gotten slightly bigger, and it feels about the same as any beauty sponge. It feels like I use my Echo Tools perfecting blender. That's what it kind of feels like. It's just it feels really fuzzy. So I've already moisturized and primed my face, and I primed my face with the Hourglass Mineral Veil, and I am going to go ahead and do my makeup how I usually do my foundation, which is here, 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 here first, and then we'll go ahead and try out the sponge. And I'll be using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation. Okay, before I start with the sponge, I wanted to show you, this was in the box that came with my order. It says stop overpaying for makeup, and that's the microfiber fusion sponge is $4. And they also have a whole bunch of stuff. Like they have these lashes, they're called lollipop lashes, just because they're in a container and they have a stick on it, so it's shaped like a lollipop, but it's just lashes, and a set is starts at $1. Then they also have this brush. It says I'm a big fan brush. It's $2. They have a whole bunch of different stuff, and they're really inexpensive. I'll put a link at the bottom in the description box so you can check out this website. But yeah, let's get started on this sponge. So I'm gonna go ahead. Let's see how this sponge works. First off, I feel like it's a little hard to blend out the makeup, but let's continue. Right there, I can get in that section. On your face, it feels really stiff. Rather like this, it feels like To me, it feels like my other sponge, but on my face, it feels really hard. And it doesn't feel like my sponge is damp enough. Like I don't feel it, doesn't feel damp anymore. I wonder if it's because it's microfiber. Like when I press it against my skin, I can hear there's water in the middle because I can hear it squishing around. But on my face, it just doesn't feel damp. Should have brought my hair tie. On the sponge, to me it looks like the product is just laying on the sponge. It doesn't look like it's being soaked in. This seems really hard to blend. It's not blending. Like there's a section right here that I keep trying to get into and it doesn't seem like it's blending it. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm gonna do a little bit more foundation. Right now I'm at the same amount of pumps that I normally put on my face, so as far as it saving foundation, I don't know about that. I'm not too happy right now with this sponge. It just doesn't feel like it's blending. It doesn't feel like it, it doesn't look like it to me. I can see patches of my foundation. And I've never had this happen with my foundation, just having patches like this. I keep going over and over and over, and it's just not blending. Keep looking over there because I keep looking at the monitor to see what it looks like from afar versus up close in my mirror. In the monitor I can see patches where it's not blending, and there's this one spot here that I just can't get it to blend. And this foundation is highly blendable. So I was going to put on the rest of my makeup and check back in and see how this foundation looks, but I'm not going to do that because I'm not happy with the way it blended. Yeah, I'm just not happy with this sponge. Yeah, I won't be using this sponge anymore. I just feel like it's a little hard on the face. When you squish it like this, it's not hard, but for some reason when you put it on, when you go and try to blend out your foundation, it's really hard, and I just feel like it's not blending my foundation at all. I don't like the way it looks. It looks very mask-like. So yeah, I'm not gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup. I'm actually gonna go ahead and wash my face and redo my makeup with my normal way that I do my makeup, my foundation, because I'm not happy with this sponge. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put a link down at the bottom of the description box, because on that website, Juno and Company, they have tons of other stuff, and those other stuff might be, you know, worth looking at, because they're very inexpensive. And who knows, if you want to go ahead and try it, go ahead and try it. I mean, it's only $4, and my shipping for this, I believe, was $2.95, and that's all the way to Hawaii. And the shipping was super quick. I have to say, the shipping was super quick. I ordered, from the time I ordered it to the time I got it within 5 working days. So for me, that's really quick. Most things, quick shipping is at least 7 to 10 working days. So this came pretty quick. But go ahead and check out their website, because like I said, they have a whole bunch of different stuff. And if you want to, just go ahead and try this if you want. But I'm not gonna go ahead and continue using this. I don't like how my foundation blended. I don't like how it looks. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, bye!